Okay, here we are on part 3 of the installation for that small TV mount. This is the 60-inch TV right here, and that's the wall it's going into or onto. And as you can see, it's very close, right next to the dresser there, and there's going to be another one underneath it. But the reason I have the mount on the TV is because I'm measuring from the mount all the way to the top, which is about 1 and 2 inches. So I'm gonna give it another 2 inches on top of that, so that there's space to actually move the TV. It's already on the topmost mount. I can actually lower it, but it's not gonna be center, or the mount is not gonna be on the center of that TV like it is now. So that's why I'm leaving that right there. So I'm looking at about 1 and 4 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. So what I'll do is I'll just measure from the top 1 inch, 1 foot, 4 inches, I mean, so that we know where the TV is gonna be at once it's mounted, and then I can mark the wall so I know where the top of the mount is. And it's hard to see because it's on black, but let me show you. Just put it up, and this is what the mount looks like. So this is the back of the the part that goes against the wall, and this is how this looks. I already adjusted it. It was a little tighter, but that's what the mount looks like. Sorry about that, and just want to show you. And it looks very small, and I wasn't sure if it was going to fit on this 60-inch TV. This is a Sony, but as you can see, it does fit. And this is it's supposed to be from 32 all the way up to 65 inches that this supports. It looks small, but it's very sturdy. So the ones I've seen are actually longer, but it doesn't need to be longer. This fits right on the 60-inch there. As far as the screws, so again, I'm just gonna use the legs. You can use a couple of nuts if you need them. And on the Sony, I think I used the number T3 bolts, because they're kind of perfect size for this. So that's what I use on that. I didn't use the other spacers or anything. One thing I did want to talk about was this level. This level that they give you is pretty useless. Number one, because as you can see, it's got some kind of blue liquid, and even under the light, you can barely see it. Let me see. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to go home and grab the other one that I have, because this is gonna be pretty useless. Shouldn't be too bad. I should be able to get it nice and straight, but I just want to be sure. So I just wanted to point that out on this particular mount. And of course, I gotta go ahead and mark everything. I haven't done it, so once I get all that done and the mount installed, I'll go ahead and show you that. But for now, let me show you this. There's a screw here and there's a screw here, so you can literally move the mount down one if you leave it at the top, and then or put it at the bottom. But I'm going for the top one because that leaves it right in the middle of the TV. And the next step is just to install it. We already moved the furniture, and after that, then the other piece of furniture or dresser, a small dresser, goes under it, and hopefully that's it, and plug in everything else. So I hope that helps with this mount, which I actually find it very, very nice. So for the price, you can't beat it. All right.